Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready. Open your browser and navigate to Google. Type a concise query of 2 to 4 keywords. Shorter queries get broader results. If you need exact wording, use quotes around the phrase, and if one term keeps appearing but is irrelevant, add a minus sign before it. Once you hit enter, scan the top results for snippets. Those lines explain why the page ranked. Make sure to adjust words quickly to sharpen results rather than scrolling aimlessly. Now refine. Add operators like cite, file type, or in title to focus results. For example, cite, Edu finds educational domains. Once done, click Tools under the search bar to filter by time range if you need recent info, or switch to images, news, or maps for different content types. You can combine operators and filters, say cite, Edu file type, PDF plus a short keyword to pull precise documents. This reduces noise and surfaces sources that match your intent fast. Finish by evaluating. Open promising links in new tabs, read snippets, and check the author, date, and domain to judge credibility. If results feel off, simplify your query to core terms or swap in synonyms to widen the pool. Sometimes broader wording finds the right source. If Google keeps returning personalized or stale results, use a private window or clear your cache and cookies, then search again. If pages won't load, check your network, otherwise you're ready to extract what you need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.